On a good day, we are your friend, your neighbour, your sister, or your brother. We are there for each other. On the harder days, we are your somebody to lean on, to listen to what's on your mind, and help you find what you need. And on the toughest days of all, you can count on us. In your cities and your streets, in your schools and your clinics, you will find us. By boat or bicycle, across mountains and rivers, we will be there. We have lived through some of the hardest times, but even on the worst days of all, we are in this together. And together, we are unstoppable.